Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Keynsham again today. Been there most days this week for one reason or another. This caught my eye because it's £1. Anything that's £1 catches my eye. Also caught my eye, recommended retail price £12.99. Our price £5.99. That's TJX UK, 73 Clarendon Road, Watford. Okay, well, I think we can see saltwater vehicle. I did have a quick peek inside. It does appear stuff's in there. Unlike that one I bought the other day that was empty when I opened the box. Okay, we got the instructions. This looks very much like one of those cheap kits from China on eBay. Brine vehicle model as opposed to saltwater. Yeah, okay. Magnesium plate, carbon plate, electric motor. Bought it in Sense, one of the new charity shops in Keynsham at the moment. So in the box, or in the bag, we've got the plastic chassis, axles, metal clips, wheels, electric motor, looks like a couple of sticky pads, little cup to hold the water, pretty small carbon pad, and I expect there's the magnesium one there as well. Crocodile clips. So that might be fun to put together. I've done quite a few saltwater powered vehicles, projects, so obviously there's a playlist in the video description. We'll put that together and then we'll probably try it with solar power as well, see if we can get it running off solar power. And maybe something else. I doubt whether it will run off a potato. It's always worth a try. So yeah, we can probably get 3 videos out of that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.